What's good, BitRushers? My name's Kyler, and you're watching BitRush Crypto. In today's video, we're going to be going over the social media platform specifically designed for NFTs, that is the Context app. I've recently mentioned this one before in a news video, but we're going to dive in deep and go over the platform and everything it does and why you might want to start using it. If all that sounds good, do smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. You can find links in the description below, and here we go. So coming over to context.app, it does load you into feed/collectors as your main page here, and you're prompted to connect your wallet if you want to log in. So let's talk about why I think this project is big and why there are other players in the game also moving in the space. So number one, we have Instagram recently add links into their stories. This is huge, as for the longest time you haven't been able to have links on Instagram. I honestly think this is one of the biggest downfalls of the platform, making use like the link tree and doing all that. Even though people have been fairly successful advertising on Instagram doing things this way, just makes it really hard and extra necessary steps. We've also seen Twitter start to add the verification and wallets into their platform, and they're definitely the leader in the NFT space. We know that Facebook just rebranded as Meta to try to take over the metaverse, and Facebook, if you didn't know, or I guess Meta now owns Instagram. So they're making plays here to start adding links into their platforms that could be the main platform for use on an NFT. And Context app here, I think, is already doing it. So essentially, this is almost like a clone of Instagram, specifically designed for your NFT wallet. So it's going to act just like Insta would, where you're going to go through and see images of different NFTs, like you'd normally just see all of your images on your feed. But instead of following users, you're actually following wallets. And it has some really great features, which I'm going to explain here in a minute. So first, let's just go ahead and get logged in. If you're not already, sign up in your MetaMask and click Connect Wallet. If this is your first time, it's going to ask you for a username, so go ahead and type one in that you would like to have. You're also going to need your email address. There you go, that's it. So it looks like it's already pulling an icon avatar. I'm not sure where that's coming from, but that's pretty neat. It's either tying in from my email or possibly from my wallet somewhere. And let's just go ahead and view our profile. So it has Rarible here, so I guess because I'm on Rarible, it automatically has the people that I'm following there, the people that are following me from there. I'm honestly not sure exactly how all this stuff works, but I do know it pulls from a bunch of different platforms. Okay, so I found in the FAQs right here, it says, what chains marketplace contracts do you support? Currently, right now, it's basically every Ethereum NFT, and they're looking to add more L2s. We also integrate additional market-specific data, reserve prices, bids, etc. from Foundation, Super Rare, Zora, OpenSea, Rarible, CryptoPunks, and Art Blocks. So that's pretty amazing right there. And then it says right here, what events do you track? And it tracks create/mint, buy, sell, list, bid, and send. So pretty good right there, guys. Let's go ahead and look back at the app. So as we just saw, there are a lot of cool features that you can use on this platform. If you're already paying for another tool, you may want to switch over to this because it basically does a lot of the tracking that you're going to find on other NFT platform tools. And this is going to be free. It does it in a visual manner. And so I think the more people start using this, the better. The cool thing is, though, you don't actually need user adoption. At first, I was a little worried about this platform, and, they don't really have a lot of user adoption going. But you don't really need to because it's tracking everything on chain. So everyone that you follow, it's already tracking. They don't need to be signed up. It uses the wallet. That is the beauty of Web3, guys, is that you no longer need to have your actual users. We can pull that data straight from the blockchain. So let's just do an example. Let's uncheck all and let's just do mints. And here we go. We have one of my buddies here from chat, Red Nose Spit. I'm not sure how it even knows that, I wanted to follow him. I just set up this account. So like I said, the AI on this is pretty amazing. It's pulling from other places. Probably can see that maybe I follow him on Twitter or something like that. I'm not sure exactly. But look at that. It has his icon already, and it's showing me something that he just did. So he just minted this apparently 1 day ago. If I come on down, it's also showing some other stuff here, so we're not going to put him on blast on everything in his wallet, but that's pretty cool. Without me even setting up my account, it has someone that I'm following now and showing me the mints. I should also mention that you can get this on mobile, and it looks a whole lot slicker on mobile, more like the Instagram platform that I was mentioning. However, it's still really cool right here. If I want, I can click into this, and I now see his NFT. If I want, I can curate it and add it to like my own collection here. It does have the description and all of the information, has more from that creator's feed. Just a lot of really cool information about that. I can also click over and see it on OpenSea if I wanted to buy this NFT. So a lot of cool integrations here, guys. Let's go ahead and keep exploring the platform. So we obviously have the following tab. We also have the collectors tab. So if we want, we can see some high-end collectors that they've already basically curated for us on who the people are to follow. And we can go through and just see what some of these people are purchasing. And again, if we see an account that we like, maybe we see one and we say, okay, this guy's purchasing a lot of cool stuff. We can just click on him and follow him, or as you saw, I guess I just needed to hover. I didn't even need to click in, but now I'm following this guy and we can see everything that he has going on. Now will be automatically added to my feed. Then there's artists. So different artists that it already recognizes as popular blockchain artists, just what are they purchasing or what are they minting? What do they have going on here? That's a cool filter, I think. Then a couple of these other cool filters, obviously, one you might want to use right here is punk holders. So not necessarily that everyone that owns a punk is a great investor. Some of them are celebrities, some of them are people that got in early, whatever. But generally across the board, you kind of think of punk holders as whales and, give them a little bit of weight with what their wallet is doing. So we could do that and just click on punk holders. And now it's just going through all the different punk holders and what the wallets are doing of people that actually hold a punk in their wallet. I think that's a really cool, unique thing. Probably see more people start to do stuff like that. Possibly even like OpenSea might start to integrate stuff like that, because I think these guys are first movers, but definitely some of this stuff is going to be advances in the technology and the way that we use stuff, and other big brands will start to bite off them. But again, guys, if we want to follow certain wallets like those whale wallets, we can now do purchases, mints, trades. This is very similar to other tools. A few of these tools are charging several $100s a month to use. So now being able to do that for free, I think is powerful for a lot of people. Why don't you guys go ahead and get on here and follow my couple wallets. I'll put my main wallet, the paper hands that I'm using to buy NFTs at this point on there. It's not this one, BitRush. So you guys can follow that one and hop on here, jump in the chat in the comments on the video and let me know your user, and I'll go ahead and follow you. And we'll build this up a little bit and see how we start liking it. Come back in a little bit and let me know if you guys like it. Is this better than a paid tool? Do you like the visual platform? I'm kind of liking it, but I just started using it. So again, I wanted to make this video. I'd mentioned it before. Just want to go through and cover all of the information about it. And then I'll probably start using this a little bit more, and we'll go back and do another review on how I actually like it, if I like it better than my other tools, or if not, if I'm going to keep both. So yeah, guys, that's basically everything for today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. If so, do smash the thumbs up on the video. Share it with a friend or family member on social media that you think may also enjoy this content. I'm doing a lot of giveaways for NFTs. If you guys leave a comment, you can also include your Ethereum address and you may be chosen for a free NFT drop. Happy crypto, and let's keep getting those coins.